Quantum Mail Studio Review 2026, one-time bulk email software with reseller rights. Discover Quantum Mail Studio, a one-time payment bulk email software that lets you send unlimited emails using your own SMTP. Read features, pricing, pros, cons, and full review. Quantum Mail Studio Review 2026, one-round mail bulk email application with inbuilt reseller rights. Email marketing remains among the best ROI digital marketing platforms, yet most contemporary email platforms have a considerable drawback: subscriptions, usage restrictions, and no control. It is where Quantum Mail Studio comes in the scene. Quantum Mail Studio is a software enabling the marketers, business owners, and affiliates to send emails using their own SMTP accounts, but without paying any recurring monthly fees. It is a desktop-based bulk email sending software. This is a detailed Quantum Mail Studio review, which will include what Quantum Mail Studio is, how it works, key features, real use cases, pros, cons, and pricing and reseller opportunity. Final conclusion: whether to buy in 2026 or not. Let's dive in. What is Quantum Mail Studio? Quantum Mail Studio is a Windows desktop email marketing tool which is used to send bulk mail using custom SMTP usernames and passwords of Gmail, Outlook, or private SMTP servers. As opposed to popular cloud-based email tools like MailChimp, GetResponse, etc., Quantum Mail Studio does not charge monthly fees, does not place your data on third-party servers, makes you a complete owner and controller. Directly work in your computer. You just need to download the software and connect your SMTP, input your email list, and commence campaigns. Quantum Mail Studio would be particularly appealing to affiliate marketers, small business owners, freelancers and agencies, marketers fed up with SaaS subscriptions. Quantum Mail Studio, how it works step by step. Quantum Mail Studio aims at being easy to use even to non-technical users. Step 1. Install the software. Once bought, you download and install the software in your Windows PC. Step 2. Add your SMTP details. You can connect Gmail SMTP, Outlook SMTP, Yahoo SMTP, custom or private SMTP servers. When it is added, the software gets your SMTP connection verified. Step 3. Create email campaign. You can write subject lines, add plain text or HTML emails, personalize pre-delivery content. Step 4. Upload email list. Add your list of emails and set the email sending restrictions to prevent spam. Step 5. Send and monitor. Click Send and the software reveals live delivery status, success and failure reports, real-time progress of campaigns. No cloud dependency. All of this is done right on your system. Quantum Mail Studio is known to have the following features. We can discuss the most significant aspects that distinguish Quantum Mail Studio. Custom SMTP integration. There is no email provider that you are committed to. You can send emails using your personal Gmail or Outlook, business email SMTP, private SMTP servers. This provides complete control with regards to costs and deliverability. Mass emails sent free of charge. The majority of email applications are paid on a monthly fee depending on the list size. Quantum Mail Studio is a single purchase, that is, no monthly payments, no list size restrictions, no hidden usage caps. This in itself will save hundreds of dollars annually. Instantaneous campaign tracking. You can see emails successfully sent, failed emails, sending progress, and status of campaign, stop, resume, pause. The latter is lacking in the cheap bulk email tools. Privacy and control at the desktops. Because Quantum Mail Studio is a desktop application, your email lists will be stored in your PC. No third-party cloud servers, none of the account suspensions of SaaS solutions. An ideal choice for marketers who treasure privacy and ownership. Built-in reseller license. The reseller system is one of the largest bonuses. You can generate licenses, sell Quantum Mail Studio to other parties, and keep 100% of the profits. This makes the software an instrument and a source of revenue. Who is Quantum Mail Studio to be used by? Not everybody can make use of Quantum Mail Studio, but when it is used by the right people, it has a great power. Best for offers which are promoted by affiliate marketers, small businesses that create newsletters, coaches or consultants sending emails to their clients, freelancers that do client campaigns, marketers fed up with paying monthly fees on SaaS. Not ideal for those users who require AI-based automation, complex drag-and-drop email designers, team collaboration on clouds. The tool is ideal if your primary objective is to send bulk mails at low costs and reliably. Real-world use cases. Affiliate marketing. CPA, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, or ClickBank offers can be offered in your list without any fear of SaaS limitations. Small business promotions. Announcements, product updates, and discounts are sent out through your business SMTP. Freelancers and agencies provide email marketing services without having to pay a monthly per-client fee. Software reselling. Sell Quantum Mail Studio with the help of a reseller license and create a second income source. Advantages and disadvantages of Quantum Mail Studio. Pros: single payment, no recurrent charges, uses your own SMTP, full campaign control, works offline on your PC, built-in reseller rights, no list size restrictions, data privacy and ownership. Cons: Windows-only software, needs fundamental SMTP literacy, no built-in AI features, no sophisticated automation regimes. These cons are minor to the seasoned marketers, but worth mentioning. Pricing and value for money. On Warrior Plus, Quantum Mail Studio can be purchased as a one-time license. In comparison to the SaaS email tools, which are charged $29 to $99 a month and extra fees for larger lists, within 1 month, Quantum Mail Studio will be able to pay itself. In addition, the reseller license creates an enormous value among marketers who enjoy selling software. Quantum Mail Studio, legit or scam? Quantum Mail Studio is a real product and not a get-rich-quick scheme. It does exactly what it claims, gives actual software access, includes recorded attributes, has a clear use case. However, success depends on your email list quality, proper SMTP configuration, and sincere email marketing. It is an effective weapon when used properly. Conclusion: should Quantum Mail Studio be purchased? Yes, then you know what you are about. Quantum Mail Studio is most appropriate to the marketers who do not want monthly subscriptions, prefer owning their tools, already know the fundamentals of email marketing, need an additional revenue through reselling. This is not the best option that you have if you are a beginner seeking AI-based automation and fancy templates. However, Quantum Mail Studio offers serious marketers with real value, versatility, and long-term economies. Frequently asked questions. Is Quantum Mail Studio cloud-based? No, it's a desktop application. Does it have reseller rights? Yes, reseller rights are incorporated. Is there a monthly fee? No, it's a one-time purchase. Does it support Gmail SMTP? Yes, as well as Outlook and custom SMTPs. Final recommendation. Quantum Mail Studio is worth a look at if you want a no monthly charge bulk email service with complete control and the ability to be a reseller.